Okay, hello everyone. My name is Andrian, and now I will interview with Gusti Hanan as the executive IT marketing in Google.
Thank you, Heru, for your time. I really appreciate so I can share my story to inspire people around Indonesia. Especially, I'm working abroad in the United States in California, Silicon Valley.
Okay, Gusti, thank you for your attending.
You're welcome. My
Okay.
pleasure.
Okay, now we will interview these guys. Okay, let's go. First is what kind of your business? What job desk in the Google?
So my business is basically working around to promote the Google company, especially in IT technology. As you know, Google is the most advanced company in the world, and my job desk is basically to promote Google in the world to be the first major technological advantage in humanity.
Oh, it's really perfectful, I think. Wow. Okay, now how do you reach it to be the head of IT executive in Google?
My way to reach it is basically I was working at Apple for around 5 years, I think.
Oh,
So I take the experience from the Apple company. Apple is more like hardware company, and Google is more like software
company.
Yeah, software company.
Oh,
Apple is like building like product in iPhone,
oh, yes.
iPad. You must be know that.
Oh yes, I know that.
Yeah.
Okay.
Of course.
Because I'm the user.
You're a user, okay. So I take the experience before from Apple, and then with a long experience, I was like became bored, and I want to search for a new adventure and new life in Google.
Wow, it sounds great, right? Okay, guys. And then, what the part of the culture do you like most in the Google?
What are in culture?
Yes, like freedom or the requirement to
Yeah.
get people.
Yes. So I very like the working culture in Google. Everyone in Google is very creative
Oh.
and very hardworking. They have like flexibility, even though they have like flexibility in time and place. They still commit to their work. They don't like get bored and get lazy to have their duty completed. Yeah, like I'm very interested in Google because before I came into Google, I have visited in Google before, and I look the company is very creative. Like you have like the working space is very colorful, and you have your free snacks, free candy everywhere.
I want it.
Yeah, it's really interesting for me because I see that in the first place, and like we have our playground.
No.
If you get bored, you can play some games in there. Yeah, that's really like things that I like from the culture in Google, especially like the working culture.
Oh, it's very funny. It's not like the you must do the work in you place. It's like you just playing something in your company.
Basically, Google is like a playground, yeah, but for adults.
Wow, it is really funny. I think I want to be the worker in that place. It's really interesting for me.
Yeah.
Okay, the next is what the skill you most important to have. Any skill like other like IT, like what? I think I confused with that really.
I think the most important thing is, especially in marketing and IT, the first thing is the most important. I think is communication.
Communication.
So with your communication, you have like some kind of plan, and you can be like close to your customer, so you can attract more customer. And IT is more like you have to be clever at theory. At theory, you have to be at least know the basic theory about IT. Yeah, that's it.
You must make some code orders. No, editing orders.
No, like editing, like coding.
Coding.
Yeah, coding. It's a part of IT.
Part of IT. In marketing also.
In marketing also.
Okay, it's really. I think the marketing is just like you selling something for a company.
Because it's IT marketing. It's different.
IT marketing.
Like we more like using technology instead of like face to face against someone. Like we talk face to face against someone. We often use more of technology. Yeah.
Okay, the next question is: it's really difficult or not to balance your time as the executive in the Google? Like I think it's really busy in the company.
You're right. You're very right. But Google is not that like 24/7 you're working. You must have your free times also with your family. I have my own family and I can balance my work time and my like family time. So I have to be like a father and also a boss. So it's very different two characters. I think it's the most hard part, not like the balancing the time, because Google is like we have the freedom and flexibility. You can work wherever you want. Like the most important thing is like get the job done.
The most important thing, you must done your job. It's really interesting.
Before the deadline, of course.
Do you have any dream to build this country? Because as you know, Indonesia is development country and they don't have a lot of expert like America or China. And do you have any dream? Maybe make university or others?
I think I don't want to make university because I'm gonna enjoy my time as I go back to Indonesia, because I want to share my experience just like in this podcast, and I want to be a lecturer actually.
A lecturer.
Yeah. So I can teach as many as students undergraduate in Indonesia to become what I've become and experience to work abroad. And then because Indonesia is except of like the corruption and something, I'm from here and this is my country and this is my heart, and like I want to in this country and contribute to my country.
I think you will be very impactful because you will be a lecturer. Okay. The last question is, do you have any motivate for the people who want to work in abroad and maybe become the executive like you?
Yeah, of course. So whatever you do, don't let your problems and your overthinking makes
Oh.
you feels like you can do it, and whatever hindering you from your dreams, don't let it be. And
Mm.
anything you do with hard work and followed by prayer, nothing is impossible.
Wow, it's really, really the good motivated, I think. Really, really good. And maybe it is the end of the interview. I think it's really impactful for the other people, with everyone. Maybe want to work in abroad, and I hope you can more keep spirit to get in abroad and take a lot of money from that.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you for your time, Harold. I
Okay.
really appreciate that. And so I can share my story, my experience. I hope that really inspired many students in Indonesia.
Yes, because we must will our people in Indonesia for the IT especially, yeah. Okay, thank you for your coming
My
and your
pleasure.
interview. Okay, thank you, sir. Okay.